Enjoy these potato pancakes for breakfast on a rainy morning or as an evening snack. You will love them.